New crew, if you're new, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra. I just got back from my Walmart pickup order. I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. I also ordered some Christmas things, so we'll talk about those. And I do have some things coming via shipping. Plus, I have some Amazon subscribe and save that I've never done before, but we're doing it now. I figured I would throw that in this haul too. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, show you guys what I got. We're going one-handed today because I'm obviously occupied with a very cute additive here. So let's go ahead and talk about what we got here. I think I'm gonna start with Amazon subscribe and save. This is Juniper here. She is my 5th baby, and I have not had a baby in a very long time that has required all formula. I've breastfed my last handful of babies. So this being said, breastfeeding journey did not work out this time. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. I'm about 50-50 in that, and this is just one of those times where it didn't work out for me, so we're doing formula. However, we're going through about a can a week, and it's really expensive. I haven't had my formula in a very long time. So $50 a can. We're going through about a can a week. And our Walmart does not always have them. And we live pretty rurally. It's not like, oh, one Walmart doesn't have it, no worries, we'll drive across town to another one. This Walmart is the only store within like probably in 40-45 minutes of us that would sell this formula. So I went to Amazon. Sure enough, Amazon subscribe and save, and I'm actually saving, I think it's like $15 for the 3 cans. So I ordered, for subscribe and save, 3 cans times 2. So I'm getting 6 cans a month. I'm getting 6 cans delivered a month, which would mean months where we have 4 weeks, I'll have 2 extra cans, and months where we have 5 weeks, I'll have 1 extra can. That way we can slowly build up a stock of them, and then hopefully when she only has a couple months left of formula, we'll have enough formula on the shelf where we can just cancel the subscribe and save and just ride it out until she's big enough to not need that anymore. This is what that looks like. I pulled 1 can out, but so we're getting 6 of these delivered on the 1st of the month, every month, until I cancel the subscribe and save. So that's going to save us some time here. The other thing I got were some electrolyte powders. Joe and I are doing carnivore. These are important. I got 2 of them. I have these on subscribe and save. And I'll just cancel them whenever we stop doing carnivore. We like to have these on the shelf anyway for when you have the flu or something like that. Get the electrolytes back in. So these are fine. Okay, we're gonna go around the table this way today, but I got conditioner shampoos for the kids. And then my son was telling me that all of our soaps smell too girly. If you're new, my son is about to turn 6 and he has 4 sisters. So I guess it was something that I just overlooked. And I gave him my I gave him my Walmart app on my phone. I sat next to him. I let him scroll and I let him pick his own soap. This is what he ended up picking. He liked that it was green. He liked that it had a hand pump on it. So this is soap for my son so that he doesn't have girly soap, which I feel like is a very fair and reasonable request. So there's that. Thing of laundry detergent. I was making my own laundry detergent for about a year. And I loved it, but I have found out that the laundry detergent does not cut through the formula or the breast milk stains and smell out of my baby's clothing. So I'm doing this just until we're through this season of life, and then I'll go back to making my own homemade stuff because I like that a lot better than this. But it's just for a season. Okay, we're talking about Christmas for right now. Things are on rollback right now. So I got this for my son. This isn't in my grocery total, but I figured I'd show you. Things are on rollback. Just a little bit of a note. I got all of my kids a card game for their stockings this year. I know every household has a different arrangement with Santa, but Mom and Dad fill stockings in our house, and that's just how we do things. So this is for my son. He loves Uno. It's his favorite thing. And then I got a card game for my 2 older girls, but they're coming via shipping. So there's that. Just a little reminder, things are going on clearance now, guys. Thing of pizza rolls for kids' lunch boxes for the month. I got lots of sausage options for our carnivore needs. Just really quick and easy fixes. So I got a 12-pack of cheddar brats. My kids love those. And then I got 2 of these. We've never had these before. Italian style with Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. These sounded really good. They were pretty expensive. They were $5 for 4 sausages, but I got 2 of them. and we'll see how these go over. The ingredients on these were pretty clean as well, especially for a sausage. Sometimes they can be a little bad. I mean, there's a lot of ingredients, don't get me wrong, but a lot of them are seasonings, and it's just like enzymes, cultured cheese, salt. So these were pretty decent for a sausage. Lots of string cheese for the kids for the month. I got 3 of these. One will go in the fridge, the other 2 go in the freezer, and we pull them out as needed for lunch boxes, snacks for school, things like that. I also use these to make stuffed crust pizza and like pizza breadsticks, cheese-filled breadsticks that the kids really like. 2 things of mini corn dogs. These are like the fun things I put in my kids' lunches if we don't have leftovers to put in their thermos, or they're sick of sandwiches. So that's kind of what these are for. Same with our pizza rolls. I did get 1 small bag of shrimp just to mix up our protein a little bit this month. Things I got for Halloween night. Because I grocery shop once a month, I do think of those meals where we're gonna need something really quick, really easy. Halloween is gonna be one of those things. Pretty much, as my kids have a very long bus ride, so pretty much as soon as the kids get off the bus, Halloween starts in our area. So they'll get off the bus and I can have these pizzas all ready to go. The kids can grab some pizzas. We could even, if we're like really in a rush, the kids are really looking forward to getting out there, I can cook these pizzas, give them a little time to cool, and we can bring these things right in the van with us and just hand out slices of pizza. The kids can eat them on the way. My kids' favorite pizza is Canadian bacon, so I got 2 of those, and I also got 2 of these. The kids really like these cheesy pizza marinara dippers. Figured one of these, the kids will be good to go. But I got a second one of these because I talked about in my Aldi haul, we're doing our own like 31 days of Halloween, and we're doing lots of fun snacks and different baked goods and things for the kids, lots of popcorn and whatnot. And I figured maybe one night I could throw one of these pizza dippers in and the kids can enjoy some cheese bread. So there's that. Cat litter for obvious reasons. I got 2 10-pound bags of sugar. Normally I get these from Sam's Club, but when I walked through Sam's Club recently, I forgot, and I can't get these shipping for me. I live too far away to just like pop in and get it, so this is gonna tide me over for a while. Lots of popcorn for our movie nights, especially as the weather starts to cool down. We're not playing outside. The kids come home from school a lot of times. We'll eat dinner, pop 2 or 3 bags of popcorn, because there are a lot of us, and pop on a movie is what we like to do. So lots of those. I'm also getting like extra buttery popcorn from Sam's Club, because I have kids who prefer kettle corn and kids who prefer the butter. So I like to have both on hand for them. A thing of peanut butter for my storage shelf. I just opened the other one, so we needed a second one for backup. We actually haven't been doing a lot of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches recently. We're doing a lot of baking though. So I am switching from the Aldi cottage cheese to Walmart. My Aldi, it's always sold out. It is very good, but there are also a lot of ingredients in it. These ingredients in the Daisy's cottage cheese, you know, cultured skim milk, cream, salt. Super simple, super easy. So I got 2 of these. My husband, myself, and then my toddler really likes cottage cheese. Thing of sour cream for the month. I also got a summer sausage. I figured me and my husband can do this with some cheese for if we're feeling snacky or for a dinner or something. I don't know. So there's that. One thing we've noticed on carnivores, we're both really content eating 2 meals a day, but sometimes around 3 o'clock or so we get a little peckish. We don't want a lot, but just a little something, and I think this sausage could be. 2 things of Parmesan cheese. A lot of carnivore meals require this for recipes I found, so I got lots of it. Another thing that I've never gotten before, well, I've gotten the Parmesan cheese before, but a lot of recipes also call for these pork panko breadcrumb things. So I got a package of this. This is kind of expensive. It was $10 for this for 12 ounces, but we're gonna see how it goes, see if we like it. I did get a thing of Halloween sprinkles for the kids, either for popcorn or treats, cookies that we'll make, or I got 2 things here of a protein vanilla yogurt. Joe and I are allowing this for our carnivore diet. I know some people go really strict. We're not going super strict, so we are going to still allow this. It says it's 0 sugar. I'm sure there's aspartame in it and other things, but we're gonna allow it. So the kids will do these yogurts, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of sprinkles on top, they'll really like that. Lots of bananas. I got bananas from Aldi yesterday, and I think I have one left on my counter. So that's how quickly these go. So I love that these are green. Give the kids a break. They can eat some other things for a couple of days, and then these bananas will be ready to go. Also got 2 things of mild Italian sausage for pizza nights. I'll probably cut these in half here, so these will be 4 pizza nights for us, which will be great. We're out of that from our local pork that we buy, so that's good. I got 2 things of Cameron's coffee. Chocolate caramel brownies is my favorite right now. It's really good. 2 of these for the month. I have about a bag and a half left in my pantry right now, so I didn't need a ton. This bag is full of these tuna packets. I'm competing with a toddler, but that's okay. These are on rollback right now as well. They always are this time of year, so I took the opportunity to stock up. I got ranch, sweet and spicy, and I think deli. Yeah, deli style. So I just stock up on these. I buy them once or twice a year, and we have them for when we want them. A big old thing of carrots. This is 5 pounds. We're doing some canning this month. I'm going to be doing, my plan is to do some venison, like beef stew style things that we're canning up. I've got all the ingredients for that right now, so I want to do that. But also that'll just be for fresh eating, cooking, things like that. Carrots last forever in the fridge, so I'm not worried about them going bad. We buy that on a regular month anyway, so we should be good to go. But that is the things that I ordered via Walmart shipping. Was a box of diapers for my baby, a card game, I think it's called Moose Match Mayhem, for a stocking for one of my daughters. I also got Grab the Mic. I've seen those everywhere, and I think my oldest daughter would absolutely love that, so I got that for her stocking for Christmas. So everybody, at least my big kids, will have a card game, which they love. We play so many card games, especially in the winter, so everyone will get a card game. And then I think, I can't remember exactly what else is coming via shipping, but I had a couple things. Oh, it was a thing of freeze-dried cilantro. It's one of those big things. That was like $13. That's coming via shipping. And there might be 1 or 2 other things. I'll put them up on the screen if there are more coming. But that is that. I also did not get diapers for my toddler. I decided, today's Thursday. I have errands to run tomorrow, which is Friday, but starting Monday, I'm going to dedicate that whole week to just staying at home and potty training her. She will be my 4th baby that I have potty trained, and I have found that sometimes for me personally, potty training, it's easier for me to wait until they're a hair older. I will just clear my schedule, dedicate an entire week to staying home or at home. I don't have anything to do. I'll make sure that all my errands are ran. And that whole week is just potty training. We're potty training. And then that way we can get a lot of success under our belt. And usually by then my kids caught on, they're pretty good. And we can get back out into the world and handle things and do our thing. And we don't have any issues. So I only have like a sleeve of diapers left for her. I'm going to keep those on backup, you know, use them over the next couple of days, and then just save them as backup things. But potty training is on the horizon for that, so hopefully we won't have to be buying all the diapers all the time anymore. So there is that. This is my Walmart haul for my family for the month of October. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me, talk about groceries. I will link my Aldi haul down below. That video should already be up if you want to see that. I can also link down below my meal plan for the month if you're interested in that. And I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye.